Or the Dows. Joseph in for Natasha tonight, and you've kind of laid out the week in rain for us. A week in review of rain coming up,
It
right?
is, yeah. I mean, we had a dry day yesterday and for the most part today, and it's going to all change this week.
In a big way.
In a big way, yeah. We have some very wet days, especially Tuesday through Thursday there. And then it kind of slows down a bit as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But just want to get you ready for the week because we have a lot going on. We have multiple fronts moving on through, which means not only is it going to be cloudy and wet, but at times it's also going to be breezy. I would expect the wettest day to be Wednesday as well as Thursday, and then again it kind of slows down a little bit heading into the weekend. Hopefully the forecast changes a little bit. That's always possible, but for the meantime I would plan on maybe some rain if you're starting to make some plans for next weekend. Okay, January rain so far, we're about 3.5 inches. We're doing okay, and this week from about Tuesday into the weekend, I expect us to get maybe another 1 to 2 inches here in Portland, which will likely bring us right to where our average is for this time of the month. Okay, 45 degrees right now. We do have some clouds, but no rain yet. Eventually, it will be here likely through the morning hours, but we might even see a drop or two for the overnight. With these systems, we're going to see some clouds. That's just the way it is. It's been that way for just about all month. We've had 16 mostly cloudy days, 3 partly cloudy days. On average, we usually see about 24. And sometimes we get 3 clear days. I don't expect that to happen at all this week. Don't expect any sunshine or blue skies more than maybe about 10 or 15 minutes here or there. Okay, radar right now pushing that moisture in. Look at this. So it's already here along the Oregon coast and even some of the hills there, the coast range, and pushing through some of the counties into the valley. So yeah, about midnight we might start seeing some very light rain showers from Portland down to Salem, but most of that rain will stay along the Oregon coast. It's this system right here that's going to continue to move off to the east, eventually bringing that front in. And as we get into the morning hours, the roads will likely be a bit wet. Kelly will be in here early for you. She'll keep the forecast right there, and she'll have the radar and all the good stuff to get you ready for the morning. Okay, here's our weather alerts. We do have a winter weather advisory, 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. because of the snowfall that will be rolling on into the Cascade Range overnight and into tomorrow. Notice here with this system, it's starting to push that rain in around midnight. And then again through the morning hours. Here's 4 a.m. I mean, that heavy moisture is already here. So the roads are definitely going to be wet. And then we can also see that snowfall for the Cascade Range. And then maybe even some snowflakes for areas like Bend. But overall, we should stay a little bit warmer than that. And we will have that rain through Tuesday evening. Another system arrives on Wednesday. And then again, as we go into Thursday, snow levels will rise from about 3,500 feet on Tuesday up to about 7,000 feet. So we do have some warmer air aloft. And that will likely keep the snow away from the passes as we go through Wednesday and into Thursday too. But notice here, still wet. So if you want to stay away from the rain, you're really going to have to get in the plane and take off. If not, you're going to have to pack for it and be ready for it. Okay, so the rain totals as we go through our Tuesday, about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more than that. We'll have to see. Definitely more for the Oregon coast there, 1/2 inch to an inch, and then we'll be about 1/4 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch. And then there's Wednesday morning, so it's going to be a soaker the next couple of days. All right, Saturday and Sunday, I do have some showers in there for the weekend. Temperatures in the 50s, so although it's wet, it's not going to be that cold.
No.
It's just going to be gloomy.
Yeah, gloomy. It's not going to be, how do you like it? Not going to be that cold, just going to be gloomy.
And he said it gloomy.
It's Blue Monday.
Very Eeyore-esque the way you said that.
I'm sorry.
Thanks, Joseph.
Still ahead, how lawmakers are working to put a stop to political